Let's see how to fix games that stutter due to a GPU bottleneck. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! First, go to Google and check if your PC has a GPU bottleneck. Search GPU bottleneck and open any site that lets you calculate it. Select your processor, your graphics card, and your monitor resolution. You should see a percentage showing whether there's a bottleneck or not. Once confirmed, let's move on to the fixes. Reinstall your GPU drivers, either NVIDIA or AMD. I'll leave both links in the description. You can search manually or let the site auto-detect your hardware. Open your game. I'll use Counter-Strike as an example, but it works with any game. Go to Video Settings. Turn off or reduce shadows. Lower texture quality. Disable ambient occlusion. Turn off anti-aliasing. Disable VSync. Limit your FPS to match your monitor's refresh rate. For example, if your monitor is 120 Hz, cap the game at 120 frames per second. Open the control panel. Go to Hardware and Sound. Then to Power Options. Select High Performance. Open Settings. Search for Game Bar Settings. Go to Graphics. Find your game. Click on it and set it to high performance. Back in Settings. Go to Gaming. Then Game Mode. Turn it on. Right-click the taskbar. Open Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. Disable everything that's enabled unless it's essential. Open this PC. Right-click on Empty Space. Properties. Advanced System Settings. Performance Settings. Adjust for best performance. Apply. Right-click the taskbar again. Open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab. Launch your game. Find it in the list. Right-click. Set priority to high. Back in Settings. Go to Personalization. Then Background. Select Solid Color. Extra tip, if your game is installed on an HDD, move it to an SSD. If you don't have one, I highly recommend buying one. SSDs load textures faster and reduce stuttering. You can also reinstall Windows directly on the SSD. Not required, but highly recommended. Search %temp% and delete all temporary files. For the final step, unplug your PC, open the case, and clean all the dust, especially from the fans. Overheating is often a major cause of stuttering. If nothing works, you can try installing a gaming-optimized version of Windows like kernel.os. Thanks for watching.